Today's preview is on the pair of Collab 64, Nissan GT-R R32 Skyline. This pair is a collaboration between Tarmac Works and Kyosho. Big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this pair of GT-R for my preview. This will be available at the Tarmac Works Webstore tonight, along with many others, at 10 PM Hong Kong time. And now let's take a closer look at the Castrol team Skyline R32. Collab 64 logos on both sides. Below standard information is exclusively made for Tarmac Works, manufactured by Kyosho. Another layer of wrapper, which is cool. Very clean cut and precise casting. Very typical of a Kyosho 164. At the scale of 164, I'm very impressed by the livery. Great alignment, including superb clarity on the logos. Realistic plastic insert rear lights, typical of the R32. Realistic 6-spokes wheel sets. Very clean paint job that totally brings out the livery. Detailed interior with a roll cage. Looks even better out of the base. I have no doubt this casting will look fantastic with the right photography setup. Wheel set rolls extremely well, very impressed. Most of my Kyosho collection, the wheel set doesn't roll. All-rounder details for this casting. Very intricate for a 164 scale mini car. Base is in plastic without any suspension. And overall, a realistic and presentable casting from Tarmac Works and Kyosho. Next, the Skyline R32 in Singha theme. Wow, really impressive. The details is comparable to the Castrol theme. The wheel sets really stands out for me as opposed to the Castrol theme. Love the 5 spokes in white. It's all about the liveries and details in the Singha theme, predominantly in white and yellow. Equally as impressive as the Castrol theme. Wheel sets rolls extremely well and fast. Detailed interior also with a roll cage but in black. Base is also in plastic with all-rounder details. Painted side mirror with the spoiler that is nicely executed. Overall, the Collab 64 pair is a fantastic casting. I'm looking forward for more collaboration between Tarmac Works and Kyosho. For mini car collectors who has great eye for details, this is definitely the pair to add into your collection, and it will no doubt looks great in die-cast photography as well as in your display case. This pair together with many will be available at the Tarmac Works Webstore. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.